how to buy and get new clothes for your avatar on Roblox PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I want to add or get new clothes for my avatar. As you can see right here, all what you have to do is simple: click on avatar shop, and here on this page you will find many free clothes to wear if you want. For example, I like this blue one right here, hoodie. Click get and click get now. I just got it. Now I'm gonna choose another one here. I want, for example, this one, this as you can see. Click on it and click get from here and click get now. Now let's go to my profile. As you can see, after we go to my profile, now I have another clothes here. If I click it on inventory, as you can see, I'm gonna wear this one. If you want, click try on, and here is it. I want, for example, the hoodie. Where is the hoodie? Here. It's actually so easy to wear it, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.